a $1,500 gain today on Riot. That's probably going to be a little bit more by the time this play's done.
This is the man who's going to make us rich.
This is the man?
Yes.
This man lives in a cardboard box.
This just in. It's the Stock Market Recap.
What's up, everybody? This is Trader Jojo. I'm your host. Jump right on into the charts.
Ooh, charts. Charts.
Okay, first up, Riot. This was a day trade we had today. Riot. It was a very profitable day trade. We made almost 1,600, and this trade is not even over yet. So, this is Riot. This is Riot on the 15-minute, okay? You've got boom, boom, but you see these tails coming through here? Boom, 3 tests, bounce. Then you have, what is this? Gap, but that's a runaway gap, right? That's a runaway gap. That is a trend reversal. And then what's next? What's next in this price action? Nothing. Look at how big this hole is. You see any prices trading around here? Where's this thing going? Over the gap. Over the gap and to the moon. Over the gap and to the moon. And we saw, you know, this is why I love candlesticks. When you're talking about confirmation, do you see this pattern right here? This is a classic Morningstar pattern. So this is the setup. You could have bought any point today, I believe, and this will be a profitable trade. And you know what's real crazy about Riot? Riot just came on my radar. You know what's real crazy about Riot? When you plot this Fibonacci extension, this is insane. There is nothing to stop this thing from going to 500. Look at this. Look at this volume. There's nothing. Is it worth 500? You know what Riot does? I did a little research. Do you guys know what Riot does? Riot is a Bitcoin miner.
It's the chart of the day, and I am not Morgan Freeman.
What? Let's take a look at GameStop. Of course, everyone's trying to prove me wrong. That's what it is. You know, everyone's trying to... GameStop ended up today 18%. Wow. So everybody who bought GameStop, you just got 18%. You got 18% more money on a worthless stock. Congratulations. That being said, I'm glad you're making money. I do not think GameStop's going up. And again, we're looking at the day chart. This is not a Morningstar. This is very poor. Did it gap today? I need to see this on the day chart or on a 1 hour. What happened with GameStop today? It just went up, right? Oof. It is marching to a retest here, isn't it? Oof. Oh, y'all gonna prove me wrong. Everyone's trying to prove me wrong. It is marching towards a retest here, isn't it? This is strong. This is a strong move right here. This is a very strong move. It's a strong move. Just marching right now. Look at this. Look at this volume. All right. I just, for the record, if you are a trader and you know what you are doing in terms of this volume and the float, and you know what you're doing, this is a very smart play. A very smart play. But most of you are not, and you're going to get crushed. So just stay out of it. You're just being used. You're being used like lemons. All right. So the real question, is GameStop going up? God, I hope not. I sure hope not. This is looking better and better. I will give you that. After today, GameStop pulled a game changer. Today was a game changer for sure. Look at this on the 1 hour. I mean, this is just a straight up. Let's look on the 1 minute. We can always. Sometimes I like to look at the 1 minute. I mean, straight up. It's marching. That's for sure. It's marching. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Real quick, we're gonna do one last thing. We're a couple of stocks that are on my radar for possible breakout alerts. If you guys like these videos and you want to see more of the trades we're entering and some of the other stuff we're talking about, hit like this video, and subscribe. Okay, so real quick, SIRC or SIRC. Solar Integrated Roofing Corp is back on my radar now for a possible breakout. We're watching this one unfold. I think this is a great play. If this has a lot of potential, and this is what you look for when you're leveraging positions like this, previous price action, right? Look at this thing has its big volume. You would be very silly to ignore this volume. It looks like it's going to be making an attempt here. This has a lot of room to go with very little. I see the only real resistance I see. A little bit at 7. You're gonna need a little bit of volume to push through this, but you got the wide open. There's a lot of room for this thing. All right, that's first up. Tilray. Tilray is making a play. I believe Tilray is on its way to break out again. Worst case scenario, it's gonna pull a GameStop, I believe, and do another little pop. I've got a position entered right now, and we're with an exit at 34. This will get out right before the bounce if we have another huge tail like this again. And I'll have that sell going on during the day depending on what Tilray is looking like. And we are still monitoring RIOT for further break. I believe there's a lot of room left in this. And this consolidation period has the potential to break out very soon. So, if you guys subscribe, you'll get these types of alerts every time a video comes out, and you can get in on the trade ahead of time.